Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today it is an unboxing day, and what are we going to unbox for today's video? This is what we are going to open in a minute, but before that we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Let's open this baby and see what we got. Oh yeah, nice and easy. It is like a big envelope. Let's see what we got inside here. I put that on the floor. And here we have a book, a Swedish book, Prepping, How to Prevent Crisis and How You Make Use of What You Have in your daily life. And it's written by Eva Ullerud. She is an author, a Swedish author, and when I checked her up, she has written a lot of books. So I'm surprised that she wrote this book. And what do you guys think about this cover? It's really nice, beautiful cover. And this cover says everything, don't you think? It's not the most thickest book, but this one will probably be quick reading. Yeah, and it is obviously I'm gonna probably 10 chapters. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 chapters in this book. And the pages in this is actually 63 pages. And it has a beautiful photo. And what I like with this is it is the font size. It's decent, good font size, and I really like that because that makes everything easier for me. And I mentioned it before, I'm a dyslexic person, so and it has a chapter here that says, how can you be prepared? That's the best I can translate it, okay? Oh, they have, on this side, it mentions the headline on this one is good to have in your plastic box. Good things to have in your plastic box. I mean, it's those big-sized boxes, plastic boxes. So it means your box should contain a radio with solar panels and wind up ones, torches, flashlights, headlamps, and preferably one that is run by a dynamo and some solar panels, batteries, different kinds, especially those you have for your flashlights and torches. Um, Tea candles and regular candles, matches, wet wipes for your hygiene, big garbage bags, duct tape, collapsible water jug, water purification tablets, and space blankets, etc. So it contains a lot of things you should have, but I don't want to mention all of it because it takes too long and I don't have that time, okay? This is a nice picture on how they have stocked up their pantry with food. Really nice setup, actually. I like that. And there is also 7 things that controls our food habits we store. That is basically store what you eat what you store, basically. So it is a caravan. It is a chapter about that too, which is nice. And it mentions also the cloud online. So how to store? Probably about that is what we store. Information we store in the cloud. It is this chapter. Okay, so it is a nice little book, actually. So a little blueprint over or a sketch over the pantry, garage, storage, pantry, and there it says north. Okay, it is mentioned important when you build your own pantry, okay? And probably they mean that from scratch, okay? So have it in, you put your pantry in north and the airflow, uh, the air vent as well. So that is really nice, actually. Um, nice little book. And here you have some stuff in a plastic box and another photo on that plastic box I mentioned earlier. So, well, so far it is a nice little book. 63 pages. I will probably read this pretty quick. That's all for today, guys. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell and leave a comment. And, well, notification bell is important, so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. That's all for today, guys. Stay safe. Be part of the solution, not the problem. ShadowScoutSwede out, and I will see you in the next one.